Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit content with Prismic. So I have my home page right here, and I actually want to make my title a little bit longer, but I do want to check and make sure it looks good on a mobile. Then I also want to switch out this banner image that I've got, and I want to make sure that it looks good before publishing it. So now that I'm on the home page, I can just click the edit button right there, select the home page, which takes me straight back to Prismic so I can start editing the home page fields right from Prismic. So I have my title field. I'm going to add that there. Save it, launch a preview session. I don't have to publish anything, it's all a draft, but I can also have this running real time on my cell phone, make sure that it looks good in terms of the screen size. Yeah, that's good. It fits on the screen, so I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to go back to Prismic, switch out the banner image, just click it right there. The media library, I'm going to select that one and save it again. I'll just preview this one directly on my computer. Yeah, it looks good. Happy with the result. Just go back to Prismic, publish it right now. That's going to replace my previous version. And that's it. Hope you got a sense of how easy it is to edit content with Prismic.